Okay, hey there. Here is the overview of week 4, part 2 for Honors English. And just like every other module that we've had in previous weeks, the lesson for lesson 2 is going to be focused on grammar and writing. And here we're actually looking at like maybe a creation. So overview video, it's blank here because you're watching it right here. I wish I had the ability to control time, but I'm at least 5 years away from doing that. All right, tasks for this week. We're going to take notes, as always. We're going to answer some multiple choice questions, as always. And then we're going to create a response. And also, it's not here, but your final question will be creating a poem. Yep. And the written response is just all-encompassing. It's the poem and the paragraph response there. Use Grammarly. Will make your life a little bit easier. Use Google Docs. But yeah, notes right here. That's, This won't be here. That's what I added for the slideshow. Slideshow right there, if you've noticed before, just like lesson 1 for week 4, all the videos will be on the resource tab to help you there. I'm trying to make it a little bit more streamlined for the work. Questions, yep. You're going to have to identify which is the best type, or what is proper parallel construction or parallel structure. That's the first part of your multiple choice. Here is going to be a short response, and you need to identify at least 3 instances of repetition and how each instance shows repetition in a complete sentence. So if you need to do that 3 times, at least 3 times, and give me complete sentences, I need at least 3 complete sentences here, please. Need help? Come see me. Number 6, similar as before, but I added the PDF here, and it's actually like visible, so it's not even a link. It's right here to have you read it. Line numbers are numbered for every 5 lines in the poem. But let's look at the response. Choose 1 poem. Don't do 2, just choose 1, and you're going to give me 2 paragraphs here. One is going to look at how diction develops tone, and the other one's going to show how is imagery going to develop tone. We're not looking at the timed response here, so because it's not as we're not doing analysis or evaluation as much, I just want you to find it and develop and prove how does it develop tone here. Look at MLA format, double check and look at how to cite a poem properly. Paragraph 1, explain how diction develops the poem's tone. Sentence ends right here if you need it, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Same thing with paragraph 2. MLA guide, look at this please. I even highlighted. So I've been noticing a lot of people are using a comma after the last name. That only works for a poem. So if you've been doing it before, I've been, telling you that's not proper MLA format. Well, now I'm going to confuse you even more now and saying now you need to use it there. Rubric is right there. It's a little bit different. Help you there. Response there. Open up Google Docs. And let's look at number 7. This is the fun one. I want you to upload a poem that you create with at least 3 instances of imagery, at least 3 instances of parallel structure, and at least 2 instances of parallelism. That's it. I'm going to be checking to see if you have at least 20 lines. I don't care the poetry structure for this. I just want you to have 3 instances of imagery, 3 instances of parallel structure, 2 instances of parallelism, and that's it. Have fun with it. I am excited. I saw a lot of creative poems in the Getting to Know You response. So I was like, that was a lot nicer than having me break down with a rubric. So this is maybe more for me than for you, but I want to see some little bit more creative than providing proper essay structure. And that is it. As always, make sure you hit submit quiz. And I would, I just want you to share it through Google Doc. So upload the file, choose file there, preview, that doesn't work. If need be, we can also make sure that it is a Google Doc. And if it's not working well, I will have it fixed by then. That's it for week 4, lesson 2. Good luck.